Mibisamo, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, no your finance minister. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, no your finance minister. Mibisamo, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, no your finance minister. Yantia Bamuna, your MP speaker said, send your Tika Samu Airport, and Boye, it's Yamaya's finance minister, Uncle Trasi, Yamana Kotrasi. When Jijana Rian Sani Yamana Kofi, now we are this one Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. We are late. Now, who master Chicana, would you be called master Tom Jay, Echo Chicano? No granny Yankantia. Na ya niama basa ya kasa ya tie pension for ya sa ko bo mutike mu niama bebre na ma 2024 ya lose elections enya one individual enya Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na ye bibia na ya ho aye Ghana fo ehi esa no mo kasa ye dey.
Yes, abusianfo mane yo eye mame Adwoa Safo the baby mama of Kennedy Agyapong and out in Canada. Mammy were japa and you are working in an me Panama by church room with the entire mammy were ja or casa said the Osika say. Memo aquabedo the Waba Ras Media, so much as subscribe, we are subscriber. Now found sa is see a domano so said I made video to ma be one of the first people I'm on side ever can video no be. Now let's go deep into the story. What is happening? What is happening? And say Adwoa Safo in him say, oh yeah, Kennedy Agyapong. Ni baby mama one no awoma merima mienu na nka yebeka sesabio agya yese so bi pa de akọ sabio manhia ye mmone aporo nanso ye maame Adwoa Safo se ono no ohwe the story history of the MPP party na ohwe ntotoye ni nipa na ho fama ne su ne banya ono ankasa no ne Kennedy Agyapong wo emamienu amfa so ye ne kunu dada nanso no leadership no enye friends and family things say na me no so ntino say de tie bia chenchena obeka say okodi Kennedy Agyapong achi na wakasa ye de nsembiruma bi go abonten pa say Kennedy Agyapong na mabonten na all kase Dr. Bawumia asay Ghana economy in 2000 from 2016 to 2024. Say Dr. Bawumia am one home modern and intia wama Ghana economy asay. Now we na Adwoa Safo so bisa Kennedy Agyapong say papa I didn't tell you chan kontompo sa de chiraman sai. Na nya bia Dr. Bawumia no ye vice president na say no ye finance minister. I say Ken we ye nkrofo mo nima mamu say the city o kan MPP party no we MPP for mpainfo identity as economy anko ya wo de ho sopo ebo vice president abra the finance minister himself ewo ho then o fa so mo no emoro ma me ne buafu pa ne buafu na me pese yenko na yenti asema o kan ye ye wi ane asiamba studio na ye de asem foforo
Mahmoud Baumia no your finance minister. Mimi Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, no your finance minister. Yantia Bamuna, your MP speaker said, send your Tika Samu Airport, and Boye, it's Yamaya's finance minister, Uncle Trasi, Yamana Kotrasi. When Jijana Rian Sani Yamana Kofi, now we are this one Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. We are late. Now, who master Chicana, would you be called master Tom Jay, Echo Chicano? No granny Yankantia. Na ya niama basa ya kasa ya tie pension for ya sa ko bo mutike mu niama bebre na ma 2024 ya lose elections enya one individual enya Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na ye bibia na ya ho aye Ghana fo ehi esa no mo kasa ye dey.
Yes, entimami say Kennedy Agyapong se mo ke kana bonten na Bawumia say Ghana economy and Bawumia ye sit mamre si dabi Kennedy Agyapong should keep quiet a little bit because the enam so man people follow suit election and Bawumia enquire effort. Number no a year problem bia sabio enam coffee ni Ukraine Russia e de buy and so enam no so ntima MPP amanyoko no and MPP aban no to ye bia anye Ghana for de a omodi gina so eto abafon edit MPP amanyoko. Now, mammy no we or more things to say. Mammy, Adwoa Safo, I'm more quaba. Mammy, I'm fancy wha or same would have church and same people who say. Mon kai na mon who say, Pipia Manu Kun, ye who pia, or could be martem, Empo Bia, na buffo ba or candy on pet, Empo Bia Sabio, and I'm so nemia wubintino. So obedi president ya. On Timmy Mammy, a Juma being here because of Semenuna. Yewoma ebasebe friends and family. Ba me na kasapa na pese yem kodi kan ko tie video we na samra studio. Koso na kire wa dwen comment section box so.
Do na adura ma wan. Dr. Mahmood Bawonia. Me come outro. Ena me ka se mbi na to obi atim. Me ye politician. Ena honorable Kennedy Agyapong oye politician. Kugudu. Minim say delegates bebre wa ha. Who kunu a polling station executive. And our yere enso ye polling station executive. Mesrao obi ankura na dwen. Obi ankura na dwen wa politics mu. Obi ankura na dwen. Enti honorable Ken kura na dwen. Okura ni ambition. Mesu mi kura ma dwen. Mesu mi ye manyosem. Na manyosem na obi a eye no. Obi akọ baby ane ho be dey. Be se dey. Obi akọ baby ane ho be dey. Dr. Adwoa Safo kan sembi. Maintain honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Menene wo mba porepore ahofefuo mienu. Ba mu abaako e na oba abaako. Enti maintain honorable Kennedy Agyapong. But your family and friends and I hear what Messi ya dia is. Efiena ya balo. Kugudu. Kugudu. Pacho muntie mi o. Opposition na ya ba na ya be fie no. E wo se ye be sua nyansa o. Ya botna be mu ye family and friends. Any ye ne. Iti amanyo semu a ye wo party level no. Me Adwoa Safo. Me ti me nya den. Esa nse ye kwa be mu koye bi. Ebo ye ya na asa amwa ye. Na me mamu example bi. Me ko study contest to be MP in the year 2007. Atne we di amanyo semunu mu a woku mu abesi ne. Ma serve as member of parliament for 12 years. My deputy majority leader. Medi minister for procurement. Medi minister for gender. It may be some say. Mensomoye. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong so ayane die meboa menka se onu na ebefa na mom ye assume se wafa na wakotena Jubilee House na mimi CV eda ho ye ka CV ya so wo kopa adwuma na mo hwe adwuma amaye ene somo amasom oman ene mama nyoko na se dru ho na obetimi ahwemanimu aka se oba menene wo mamienu ma appoint no as minister for BB ejabeto Ghana. Yes. Kugudu. Mesidiai. And the Kennedy Agyapong mimi nimu no amene na wumie no. Oh yeah. It's my political career is at stake. My future is at stake. And my future is with Dr. Alhaji Mahmood.
Entia maame se ono de ne future political career. Say Dr. Bawumia ne de no eya stage because Agyapong na onim no. So oba no obedi sabio wose Nyankopon pangu no obedi president a ono no Adwoa Safo no Agyapong ebeka no ayeden ahye omma na kwanya emma ne emeye bibi ewo MPP amanyokuo no emu na maame no amfansi wadwa oso de Dr. Bawumia na ekọ na osanso kan sem bi se delegates momomani na ho na ma nkoto abafon amfa nkwanko yi nipa onse na onfata na obi beka sera de ntia maame kasa sei maame no nya beta o oka no kure de a kire MPP delegates because oye party ba watena party mu ache onim empanfo no mo higher rank ni nyina obia ne su ne bai here na ye kamba se bia ye bias but we there this is from the horse's own mouth papa ne yiri pa ene kasa ti asem we su na emra
emema kugudu wo kwa yi candidate wo bia na no anu odi ma ate kugudu emama ya na atuaba kugudu wo betu aba ama obia na no na wo di ma atem kugudu mema samba e wan tisu wo di ma atem maybe some question mema samba ya wagana ha wan tise honorable Kennedy Agyapong odi ma atem o se me yimu adie magia bicycle di ena kufu ado tinde me so ena me ye useless ena me baba nso me nimu a won timi tia me okaye ewo prom ha kugudu and the videos are there it won't ye na mo kwaye ni bisibasa edit for kind say bu beji na ba na ne records na wodi atam including me a oni ma wo mienu na wo oni wo ye de imagine odo be yo
yes enti maame Adwoa Safo eguso a the vampire na ba all goes direct into the coffers of Kennedy Agyapong of fire ni ye pa chemusa papa we yodi ematem na mempo a meye ne yere dada me na wo so tumi di matem say ya na wo common person na onim wo nya wade na ode beyo maame papa me aba ensem we fira busuanu ma na eba o I Ken and the wives the fight continues Entina me kanche so we delegates na mo adwene masiw ye say nya agro bi na ye di o nya agro bi na ye di the fight still remains in the hands of the laws and as Nyankopon no ebosom nom omo pese omunkumu a mo sha asidi kan bo wodam na akire na omo tumi akun ye enti se ameno kase papa yo no ankasa na yire ena pieja enti se de agu papa isui na yesi enipa yenim na anajo yenso kane ankohwe nanim nipa yenim na wia yenso kane anajo enkohwe nanim enti de onim no nim no ena odi ne ho adanse e de kirewo miwia Thomas Quaison me mo akwa ba ye pa eni miwia Sana Razak so me akwa ba yenko se enti another video from Mame Adwoa Safo again. Let's move.
Amanyo se na ye no ye se da chibi ana meboa ana ye tete yakwa se da chibi ya baba mu a ne ese obia aye duma e dia som na ese na fata no ye de ma no ana meboa na se wo be kwa akodi baabi na wasom na wo qualify na wo experience ni e behwe wanim ni aka cho se nkola mienu a Nyankopon de che we ya blessing ti mesrew kope ba bitina na me koye ana me bae itenya se me time me ma papa me time me ma e na me time honorable Kennedy Agyapong na emo me so me wo political journey Mashasiye, me warishamuse, me konkai. It's washa, look into the future. Me konkai no. Enipa mi enu ya. Wamaji flag bearership race, you omu na di anim e bi ka ono omu do marry. 2 years omu na ewa omu no. Kugudu. Me bisa wa wote ha. Hello. There be o MBB yanka no kure o. Nti omu makadi e je omu re pra za ya ta. Kugudu. Everything hwese ye de bema asumasi an ye de bema obenten no me ka tira wo se me srawa menim se mu bebre no na mu hu ni ye mo mani ti mu hu ni ye ena wo beti politics bi so be ne na mase ena adan ena ne ma papa ena ma kire mu no me srawo esura busu asem me ma enye adwuma me ma ene wo papa ya befia ya busia de ai sania wona woyere obi timi ya adwoa no obi timi ya obi no obi su timi ya obi no ayo ya nyina ya sa kabo ni ya adwuma no ya be ya ne sa e ya oda bo nsem.
Yes, enti Adwoa Safo powerful message or the command Domiko Benya constituents, especially MPP delegates. I'm beto abano on the 31st January 2026 no. Powerful message when Adwoa Safo etugu mu se eno de eye no kre se ke onike na Japan awoba de onike na Japan awo mamienu oba ba ko no be ma ba ko nanso no amanyo sem ne nye familiar friends e wo se won ka no kre no na hu nipa obedi wanim e wa amanyo ko no ma obema nkoso ne ye yo aba wa prapom na ono de ohwemu de nipa mienu na omo atwe omuti no nipa obetumi amasa na niso ade hunu no abem no ene Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia na osanso kire se emaye mfa sobo emmoye wura Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia se ono ne ma MPP edi nkukuo anase ono ena ma MPP endi nkunim na mbom no eye yanka ye nema bia yan tutu ne yie ena ema ye edi nkukuo enti wa wodi wani besi Dr. Bawumia so bia no na won tensemase in fact obisa question bia it really sonorate a lot or say Dr. Bawumia no ye finance minister na the enti amame bisa asem we ne say and na me no ka say NDC for say economy na ye body na ye bo ato force ndin adentia ye say ono na ye finance minister ono na ye adwuma ma me Jane opoku adwuma ye money din. But look at the case of the MPP. Yes, economy na nkoyi a ni aboba Bawumia dini. I didn't tell aboba Bawumia dini. Bawumia was a vice president. Now you're mocking of for the town and no the finance minister anything. I didn't tell. The same way, and as a bio, Yamami Adwoa Safo bisa Kennedy Agyapong and his supporters say, why are you being biased? I didn't tell me mohon kontompo for. I didn't tell me mohon nabraba for. Namo pese mon say you be. Nim dear, the answer any adoma yankopon their channel. Just in the name of I want to be a leader. These are the questions, sir. Yemame Adwoa Safo Edibisa Kennedy Agyapong and his squad. So what doing our comment session boss was a sema mami be say a tasum and answer and tasum. Media menene ya because I don't know why you have to ask Dr. Bawumia about the economy. If there was a finance minister, money message ana. Moni asama mo beka beto amamfo timu ana montumi nka bibima amamfo adwene emma so apart from say mo be destroy an image of other person ana we ne nsama amede bro foforo ho ena no pai Kennedy Agyapong host to interview ewe YouTube na as I always tell you so it is a Kennedy Agyapong kasa don't go away nyanto wasere tie no de obeka asama obeka bia wo de tenase wona tie no ono am ene so nkasa wie no na wagu ne ho animase ebi ne ene die see ye ewo UTV this morning. Listen.
With anything. Maybe over more time. But I know Chinese also Mukoria ban.
So what kind of Munkoria abemo? Mamimbi said, do you believe in structures? No, say na.
I believe in the structures, but last minute, easy for no more committee.
Underground.
Yes.
So we
use party security, sir. Obabu Obia Obabejina because Ombekana that don't be granny. They come Papa Kofi.
Honorable Ken, I among aspirants in Yanano. So what Kasa, Nasibia, I mean the 10% course on near there. Who reflected on a BSc 2013 2023 maybe Anya would day doesn't mean say in a way no Emma what harbors some kind of bitterness be against Dr. Bauniana.
Me no want that they cry. My life no, he doesn't exist.
Hey.
Because he is existent. Okay. That's how I see myself. What do you say? Me abro yemunye nyina wo shekire. But I just don't want to say anything. No obi odidi matembia onim. One day, Assembly our President Akufo-Addo fie, the boy Papa Bidi. Now Obianio, if you were the next day, no more post to him. So okay, but me thought Obia some ancient trip.
Okay,
Madam, what is your trim up? Ube winter.
So doesn't mean
that some shame trim. Me come we are my free.
Doesn't mean say after the primaries and on a second Dr. Baumia Winia, will you campaign for him?
The last time I'm campaigning, we could to me for a phone. I can't thank you. No one said it matter. Yeah, they were insulting me. Maybe call round. And my parliamentary candidate, baby, I'm a call. Obi Odino Kura, Napo. I took him to my warehouse. And your man by the chair. Now our young boys, Omu Dimatem, 7-man campaign.
Honorable Ken, only ni say one more sebi, omubedi watem na eyo musu sebi omubaka say.
And you may be a chief.
And yes, I
am decision
recently, you share your mamma na to she and your more spell out. Doesn't mean say we were behind her in Tinemane
not to see you, no man. Me know nothing.
But say they was switching come.
Was switching no me or Nama. Me wouldn't be a woman. Me tear social media. Min tear news on send bad na me bisa way. Min kai bi kura I stay focused. Can survive.
Abuja tieni ye pa o. De tie video no ye. Na yen so amara metre chirem tieni ye.
Can survive with anything. Me ni o mo time. But I know nchira also mo ko wi aba no.
So what kind of Munkoria abemo? Mamimbi said, do you believe in structures? No, say na.
I believe in the structures, but last minute, easy for no more committee.
Underground.
Yes.
So we
use party security, sir. Obabu Obia Obabejina because Ombekana that don't be granny. They come Papa Kofi.
Honorable Ken, I among aspirants in Yanano. So what Kasa, Nasibia, I mean the 10% course on near there. Who reflected on a BSc 2013 2023 maybe Anya would day. Doesn't mean say in a way no Emma what harbors some kind of bitterness be against Dr. Bauniana.
Me no want that they cry. My life no, he doesn't exist.
Hey.
Because he is existent okay. That's how I see myself. What do you say? Me abro yemunye nyina wo shekire. But I just don't want to say anything. No obi odidi matembia onim. One day, Assembly our President Akufo-Addo fie, the boy Papa Bidi. Now Obianio, if you were the next day, no more post to him. So okay, but me thought Obia some ancient trip.
Okay,
Madam, what is your trim up? Ube winter.
So doesn't mean
some shame trim. Me come we are my free.
Doesn't mean say after the primaries and on a second Dr. Baumia Winia, will you campaign for him?
The last time I'm campaigning, we could to me for a phone. I can't thank you. No one said it matter. Yeah, they were insulting me. Maybe call round. And my parliamentary candidate, baby, I'm a call. Obi Odino Kura, Napo. I took him to my warehouse. And your mama did chair. Now our young boys, di matem semi-man campaign.
Honorable Ken, only ni say, woman sebi, bedi what eyo musu sebi baka say.
And you want to do that?
And yes, I
and a decision
recently, you share your mamma not to she and your more spell out. Doesn't mean say we were behind her until the money casa.
Not to she, no, me no nothing.
But say they was switch to come.
Was switching no me or nama. Me wouldn't be a woman. Me social media.
Okay.
Me news on send them by and me be sorry. Me can't be ground. I stay focused.
Yes, it is a year. Some papa yi kan. Se utie ni year. Papa ni better. I don't know why as some MPP for who papa way as an MPP man. Papa ni very better. Say I'm not say automatically. As some papa yi can say he don't even know who is Natoshi. Tiemi yo. Asem na ye kano. Ano edno. Papa ni si ono kura ni Natoshi kura no nim no. Na Natoshi no ne Dr. Baomi anom ne nam. Na ye ka nyina. Victim. Canada Japan now are turning to be a victim of atemudie. Hey, Papa kofa baye. Papa ono de atemudie baye. Na de ono osu osuru atemudie. Na sad ye yo nyina no. Ehiti no pa. One say so say the abronye ye. And say asema abronye kan ye no kore. Because wa wo say na sibi ka asema de che ye. Na ye de aba social media de a. Na je say no kore. That's informations na man for the bar bontain concerning your attitude be towards the leadership of the party no. One kasa wa ba bontan ba be jama go say e no kore. Yes. Because also we can't simply adhere to the social media. It means it's the truth. It means these are your character. Then kabaya me yasa wumom wo Canada Japan. Utimba bontre say you are against what Abronya is saying. And you are expecting Dr. Muhammad Baumia to talk to Abronya. But Ken, one kasa o campus you won crofo ho. Ken o camp ho. You won crofo akohifo bebre wo ho a. Omo nsema omoka enye nokre na mo omokata omoni eka edeto nipa so. Ebi ne aboa papon ya tene nka nsema okeka ensemfo pa aboa papo ka edefo yiwura Dr. Baumia ho. Eno nso papa untumi mfra aboa papon enkoro no into order say on respecting ho as a person ye de aboa papo to ho nso a ye betumi assign afa obi ti se kwasi kwaten your campaign yen kan sen communicator ai ono nso o kan semfo pa nsem ne nkwasi asem a o kan fa Dr. Baumia ho enya asem ketoa eno nso papa untumi mfra aboa papon ye fa ne say kwasi kwaten enka na no ntom eno we yato mami nkoma nim na mensa mention another person papa bi je fena lestete very useless and very violent talkative alestete ken ono so ye oni papa ono so ne nsem a oka e de for Dr. Baumia ho eno no ye wuda na can't you call him also to order wakoye ho selective justice ye wude ye be ma wetima pagya wo nsa kosoro na woka ho asem enkrofo ya bobo odrin are they not your people? Call them to order. Mabo alestete din mabo owusu bempa aboa papon mabo ni din mabo kwasi kwaten ni din e won krofo so wo social media so mo nsem o ka ento asum na ya temudidie pa your platforms are hodo bebre a tabi ade be chi bia de Dr. Baumia aye twia pia na ye wie eno nso ken eto saying na wan kasampo wonsam a wo ka firi wanum e de fa Dr. Baumia ho eno so dwere ho saying enye de amanfo ka de firi wan kasa wanum. How can you say your former vice president of your party on ka wa adwene ho on ka wa brabom enipa onim so ono na lead wo ono na etu afiri ade so ono na ama wo akonwa a wote so emu ayehye. How can you say you don't care about him? This is to say you are trying to be a hypocrite. you don't know even how to be a hypocrite. And I be a threaten, and I'm a kamesikofi, and I swear to God, I swear my God, Papa, won't to me your biashe, my man cannot know. Abrekuma not say an alcoye, a true say, may mercy, you run. Nobody found you where you were. Abrekuma say an alcoye guy, and our mumra, and your mundi besiani, Papa, a true say, and Marimati Sikroma near him Marimbano. Oh, yeah, to me your biashe, and people need piano slow PM. San some na ye can show. Some na ye cano. Ewura sem na ye ka no dokro sem na ye ka no etimi ba bedru fie ma so te hit ne bi sa na beye until when you will stop being hypocrite and also when you will stop attacking personalities uja sa de ne dia bibia bekoso ye na enkopem se unya ne de ye so bebo uja ye kana wante kroma be ka kirew na mom se wo pese niama ne nkoye na some of the things in so dear and your first do fear ye but mother say unkro for no mudi wachi alestete owusu bempa abua papon kwasi kwate and all the social media handles almost omode Dr. Baumia aye twia pia omo we ni da bia omo ka de ensem fatafa Dr. Baumia homo call them to order. And so if you're able to call them to order there, maybe you too, you have your peace. Until then, we will keep on exposing your mischief character in you. And we will never stop that. We will never stop that. And I would like to temper and I would like to repeat it again. You can threat and threat and threat. Nobody cares about you. Nobody cares about you. Tetina na utimine huna manfu ene etwem papa. Etwem kura. If you want people to be polite in this campaign, first talk with your people. Omo na omode attempt any personal attack eba sa campaign we. Abusiamfo, me de mobesia na ya san ato asobie. Midin ene Mr. Mafo ha Ras Media GH. Yabasan share PM. Me nyawkwa me the videos be ma. Until we meet again. Adios.
Good about me, no your finance minister. Me be some Dr. Mahmoud about me, no your finance minister. Ya ti oba mu na ya MP speaker say, say ya ti ti ta say mu eko enko yiye. Iti ya ma your finance minister. Onko tlase ya ma ne ko tlase. Wan jija na wi ansa ne ya ma na kofie. Na we ya this what Dr. Mahmoud about me. We are late. Now we master Chicana. Would you be called master to Jay Echo Chicano? No granny Yankantia. Na ya Yama Basta, Yakasa Yentie. Pension for Yansako Mutikemu. And Yama Beble, and a March 2024, you're losing elections. And you one individual. And yet Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, and the Yabia. Naya Yahu, I Ghana for me. It's a normal Kata Yede. Do not drama wine, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Me come on throw. And not me can't send me to the team. May a politician. And an honorable Canadian Agyapong or your politician. Kugudu. Minister delegates bebre waha. Who kunu a polling station executive. And I will hear into your polling station executive. Mesrao, Obia Krana Jay. Obia Krana Jay or politics mo. Obia Krana Jay. Iti honorable Ken Krana Jay. O Krani ambition. Mesumi Krama Jay. Mesumi Yaman Manosem. Na Manosem na Obia Ayeno. Obia ko baby and who day. Mesedi Obia ko baby and who day. Dr. Boachika so kan sembi. Maintain honorable Canadian Agyapong. Menene womba pore and ofefo mienu. Bemu abako. and Obaba. It's maintain Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. But and your family and friends, and I hear you. Who could do? Messia, if you're not Yabalo, who could do? Who could do? Patro Muntiamio. Opposition na Yabana Yabefieno. I was here best young soul. Yabotina Bemu, your family and I. Any and Iti among yourself, my party level, no. Me Adwoa Safo, Messimania day. As I say, your Bemu, a wire, and not some wire. Now, me, mamma example be. Me study contested to be MP in the year 2007. Atene we di amanyo semunimwa wokuimwa besine. My serving as member of parliament for 12 years. My deputy majority leader. My minister for procurement. My minister for gender. It may be some say. Men somewhere. And honorable Kennedy Agyapong so ayane die meboa. Menka say ono na ebefa. Na mom ye assume say wafa. Na wakotena Jubilee House. Na mimi CV eda ho. Ya ka CV ya so wo pa adwuma. Na mo hwe adwuma amaye. Ene somo amasom oman yi ene mama ne ko. Na se dru ho. Na obetimi ahwemanimu aka se oba menene wo mamienu. Ma appointed no as minister for BB. Ejabeto Ghana. Yes. Who do? And the Kennedy Agyapong, me na oh yeah. My political career is at stake. My future is at stake. And my future is with Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu. Emema. Kugudu. Wo kwa yi candidate. Wo bia na no anu odi ma ate. Kugudu. Ema ba ya na to aba. Kugudu. Wo be to aba ama obia na no a na wo di ima atem. Kugudu. Mema samba I want to what di matter. Maybe some question. Mema samba ya wagana ha. Want to say honorable Kennedy Agyapong or di matter. Or say me you die. Magia bicycle do. And I go for the so. And I me useless. And I me baba show me ni mu I want to meet me. Okaye ego from her. And the videos are there. It's one here. Namo kwaya ni bisibasa. And this is what guys are moving in a back. None the records now what they are including me.